Hi, I'm Natalie and welcome to our weekly product roundup of everything that's new here at Hobbybase. So this week we've been looking at this new range of Festive paper cuts craft dies by Creative Expression. Now there are 7 different die sets in this range and they all have multiple elements to them. They cut really well. You get a frame, you get the inner frame as well. You get an outer frame, the inner frame, which is the more detailed in the picture, but you're also getting a sentiment. So that's a feature that's running through all the sets, no matter which one it is. I mean, we've got bells and bows, we've got a Christmas robin frame, and really cute Noel tree. And yeah, so they're all really lovely. They're all on the website now. They cut really well. We made this card earlier from the Noel frame. And we used the inner frame, so the more detailed piece and the sentiment, and we made a shaker card. So really simple to make, card base, a background piece of card, so we used the Centura rose gold here, and we used another frame, a bit of acetate, some glitter in the middle there, and yeah, beautiful depth to that project. So that's that paper cuts range. If you guys have used any of these, let us know which one your favourite is. Show us some pictures if you like in the comments. Send us some links to any videos you've got and let's see how you've been using them where you are. Now we know everybody loves the WoodWare Craft Collection stamps and we've had a whole bunch of them come into Hobbybase this week. We've got at least 12 new stamps to add to the shop and available to buy now. But I just love the detail of these. They come with multiple stamps in each set. We've got some sentiments in some of these. We've got smaller stamps, larger stamps that complement each other. Yeah, so these are just some of the range I thought I'd show you. We've got wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Happy Christmas. Really cute gingerbread man. And even some really fun cartoony stamps as well. This one says Merry Cactus, Happy Cactmas, Season's Greetings out. So I really like that. That's so fun. Have a lot of fun with that one. So yeah, there's at least 12 stamp sets in this collection that's come in. It's all available now from Hobbybase. And some of these are real large sentiments. So this is a lovely Noel sentiment. How large that is. And it includes the writing underneath, wishing you a wonderful Christmas. So they're all available to shop now at Hobbybase. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, then give us a thumbs up and share on with friends and family and stay tuned for more.